Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Bakti Nugroho. I am a student at University of Darussalam Gontor at Quran and Tafsir Science Department, 7th semester. In this opportunity, I would like to present our development research under title Development of Mobile Learning Laboratorium Tafsir Science, Lab Tafsin as Tafsir Ilmi Learning Media. So, university has a main role of education, research, and community empowerment. University of Darussalam Gontor is one of the universities that has the characteristic Islamization of science in its learning. In line with the Islamization of knowledge, Quranic Science and Tafsir Department has the characteristic in the form of development of scientific interpretation, which emphasizes the learning of kauniyah verse, scientific verse, by integrating between the content of the Quran and theories of science. Based on the 800 more kauniyah verse in the Quran that encourage people to observe, ponder, think, and investigate the symptoms of nature as evidence of Allah's power. So, next slide. Tafsir ilmi is one way to study kauniyah verse by integrating the content of the Quran and theories of science. So far, students of Quranic Science and Tafsir Department of University of Darussalam hasn't been able to integrate the two things well in studying kauniyah verse. Therefore, a learning medium is needed that can assist students in the use of scientific interpretation. So the example from the Quraniah verse, evaporation. Allah said in Quran, "Was-sama idzatir roja." The meaning is by the firmament which returns in its round. And the other example, in geology, mountains are like 10 peaks. Geologists tell us that the radius of the Earth is about 6,035 kilometers, and the crust on which we live is very thin, ranging between 2 to 35 kilometers. Since the crust is thin, it has a high possibility of shaking. Mountains act like stakes or 10 pegs that hold the Earth's crust and give it stability. The Quran contains exactly such a description. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Alam naj'alil arda mihada wal jibala autada. Have we not made the earth as a wide expanse and the mountains as peaks? Al-Quran. The word autad means stakes or pegs, like those used to anchor a tent. They are the deep foundations of geological faults. So the next. Mobile learning was the fourth educational development of revolution in which previous revolutions include the discovery of writing, the use of textbook at schools after the invention of printing press, and the emergence of mainstream education. The use of e-learning and m-learning where the mobile device use audiovisuals cognitively, cooperatively, and interactively. Through the use of smartphone device, the use of m-learning is expected to create dynamic and sustainable learning environment, and it is unlimited for space and time. Gradually, this use can remove traditional classes, routines, and imitation. Mobile learning improves students' interest and motivation in learning new course. In addition, it is able to make a pedagogical shift from classroom-based learning to collaborative and constructivist learning. So, this is m-learning. And the purpose of this research is to develop m-learning lab Tafsin so that it can contribute to the study of scientific interpretation in college. Lab Tafsir applications are intended to support the learning of lecturers and students with large class population by maximizing mobile device in the study of scientific interpretation. With the main reference book, The Miracle of Quran and Modern Science by Zakir Naik, and book entitled Al-Ijaz Al-Ilmi fil Quran wa Sunnah by Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz Al-Muslih as an addition or strengthening in the field of scientific interpretation. Besides this book, it is supported by video links from YouTube channel Lajnah Kemenak, Ayat-Ayat Semesta, and Dr. Zakir Naik. So next slide is a theory. Tafsir ilmi, mobile learning, and Android operation system. What is tafsir ilmi? Tafsir ilmi in terms of terminology, Mustafa Muslim says, tafsir, which is the knowledge that opens the size of the meaning of the verse of the Quran and describe the intention and purpose of Allah from this verse according to human abilities. And ilmi are experimental science that can be proven through research and tests, which are used as a tool for interpreting verse of the Quran. And Hussein Az-Zahabi say tafsir ilmi is an interpretation style that use scientific nomenclature in interpreting the Quran to uncover the miracles associated with the new modern science. So, mobile learning. Mobile learning is opposite of learning taking place in a watch the teacher standing in front of the class. As the intersection of mobile computing and e-learning that provides the research that can be accessed from anywhere and powerful performance. So the Android operating system. Why we choose the Android operating system? There is 4 factors. First, speed factor. The efficiency of the application in providing data exactly in accordance with the user command. Second, aspect of productivity. Third, creativity design. And fourth, flexibility and reliability. Android operating system was chosen to build mobile learning application because it's an open source operating that is easy to develop. So next to the methodology, this research was conducted at Quranic Science Department, University of Darussalam Gontor. The object of this research is development of Lab Tafsir application mobile. And we have 2 in the Google Play. If you search Laboratorium Tafsir Science by AMOLED, there is from us. So preparation which is required includes focus group discussion to discuss the primary literature and theme of application, basic design concept, and programming language selection. The result from focus group or FGD is the primary book is, so I use 3 language, and then I'm learning content is material, picture, link video, and practice. So the next, our development stage. First is scientific interpretation material development method. The mobile learning application developed by Lecture of Quranic Science and Tafsir Department and team. And with the reference book, The Miracle of Al-Quran and Modern Science, and Al-Ijaz Al-Ilmi fil Quran wa Sunnah. So, second, the development model. The process development model is shown in requires growth and creativity. The M-learning application is developed by waterfall research and development method which is familiar in field of software engineering. There are 5 main steps in this method and seen in figure. There is identification, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. So last is the design phase. To design the application, there is splash screen, main menu, chapter 113, by 3 language, Bahasa, English, and Arabic. So the learning video. Next slide. Result and discussion. Lab Tafsir have 14 themes as introduction, astronomy, physics, hydrology, geology, oceanology, biology, plants, zoology, medicine, physiology, embryology, general knowledge, and conclusion. The support system requirement in the mobile learning. Hosting and domain. The M-learning system is uploaded into web server, so many users can access it. Supporting requirements for users, application design. Our research is focus on the site of 4 stages of activity. First, software requirement analysis. Second, design. Third, code generation. And fourth, testing. Model of instructional media application is using term-focused interaction model. So, the system implementation result. Testing system. Trials were conducted to find out if M-learning laptops could be operated through handheld devices such as smartphones. Trials are taken through various subsystem functions or modules that have been established. The trial was taken by creating a trial class attended by 10 students to receive feedback on the M-learning system. Results from feedback show that nearly 19% of respondents told that the M-learning system is easy to use. So the next, we can see the language choice features. English, Indonesia, and Arabic. So after that, there is the 3 example. You can see that you can download at Google Play Store, Laboratorium Tafsir Science, and yeah, you can download it. So suggestion. Conclusion. The development of Android-based mobile learning laptops developed with the main reference book entitled Miracles of the Quran and Modern Science by Zakir Naik and Al-Ijaz Al-Ilmi fil Quran wa Sunnah by Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz Al-Musli, in addition to strengthening in the field of science. As well as video links from Lajnah Kemenak, Ayat-Ayat Semesta, and Dr. Zakir Naik. And M-learning laptops consists 14 themes. And suggestion. It is necessary to add video links, practicum, and interpretation of interpreters, mufassir, relate to existing themes. It also needs to be added to the Android-based M-learning client application that can be used for user with the lecture level. Added quiz feature and with questionnaire format on the Android-based M-learning client application. In addition of method to the M-learning service, can be customized to serve requests from client with more perfect features. So, last, this is from us. Thank you for listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. If there are a mistake, I say sorry. Thanks. You can freely ask a question about this presentation. In the end, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.